NateVlog here. Welcome back to my channel, Groovy Vibes. Good morning. Oh, check it out. I got a haircut. Yeah, looks good, right? Yeah, anyways, so today we are trying, what's this? Instant marbling boba, kids. What? Matcha flavor. All right. So I picked this up at Marshall's in the clearance aisle for only $3. Can you believe that? $3 for some boba? You know how expensive boba is nowadays? It's like, oh my god, I think the last one I saw was up to $8. Like, what the hell is up with that? Are you kidding me? Boba is one of my favorites, alright? One of my favorite drinks, especially when it gets caught in your throat, you're choking to death, right? Yeah, what a fun experience. Oh my god. No, but seriously though, yeah, it's pretty good. But then I don't ask for boba. I'm like, yeah, just give me the milk tea, all right? Yeah, no boba balls, all right? No balls in my mouth. No, thank you. No. So, anyways, yeah, this is gonna be interesting. Let's go ahead and make some matcha boba. All right. Anyways, what do we do here? Open the top. Okay, like that. Had to pick up some ingredients because, yeah, it requires some stuff. Oh, look at that. Anyways, there's, let's see, 4 things we need to do. So first things first is we need a glass. So what are we going to use here? Check out that glass. Whoa, look at that. That's different. All right. Anyways, next. So here's the boba balls. Yep. And here's the matcha syrup. Oh, wow, they give you a lot here. Okay, I thought it was just one. Oh, there's a lot of flavors. My number one is taro milk tea. That's what I always go for. And second is matcha. So, okay, interesting. All right, and of course we have our straws. Yeah. So let's go ahead and take our matcha syrup. How do we open this? Right here. Oh yeah, it's green. So then we're supposed to take the glass and just go around with it. Ooh, dark green. Oh, whoa, slow down. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, that doesn't look... Actually, no, that doesn't look bad. Oh. That's beautiful art right there. Get it all in there. Matcha syrup all around the glass. Yep, doing a bunch of circles here. Squeeze it out at the same time. Ooh. Yeah, this is matcha, right? I smell it. You know, matcha green tea is one of the healthiest things possible, right? That you can consume. Remember I always say, do I need to say it again? Green tea, everything green tea. I drink 3 cups every single day and a green tea vitamin capsule. So yeah, highly recommend drinking green tea every day. Okay, that should be good. Look at that. That thing is green now, alright? Green. Sticky. Alright, let's see what's next. Alright, number 2. Okay, so now we take one of the boba packs and we microwave it for only 15 seconds. Alright, let's get to the kitchen and we take our glass. So come on. Here's our packet. So what we need to do is just cut the corner here and put it in. Alright, hopefully I'm doing this right. Just throw it in there. 15 seconds, take it out halfway. Ooh. Yeah. Okay. We got this. Is so hot. Alright, yeah, it smells like brown sugar too. Look at that. Come on. Get those balls out of there. Sticky. Why aren't they coming out? Come on now. Get in there. Oh, jeez. Really in there. Balls. Oh, it's so hot too. Can't touch them. There they go. Jeez. Alright. Okay, now that we got that in there, it's time to put some ice. Yeah, this is what I had picked up. Some ice. Also, we got some milk. So, yeah. Let's go ahead and... What do we do first? Ice, right? Yeah. Ice. How much ice are we supposed to put in, though? 80G? What is 80G supposed to mean? 80G. Oh, this is frozen. Yellow. Oh, come on, get some ice out. Oh, one ice cube. There we go. Is that good enough? No. Come on. Get this out. Oh, why is everything so difficult? Probably should have just put this in there. Alright, that should be good. Yeah. Alright, next, let's pour the milk in there. There. Yeah! Alright! Does it look like this? Hey, why are there boba balls on top? Hold on. Am I only supposed to use one packet? Right, just one packet. Does that look right? Looks like milk with ice. Alright, so yeah, mix in here. You know, I think I added too much milk because yeah, it just still looks like milk. Oh god. Green milk. Actually, no. Maybe it's starting to look like it now. Alright, compare it. Yeah. Alright, well, let's try some authentic Taiwanese boba where it originated from. So, cheers. I think I added too much milk. I'm surprised I'm not getting any boba balls. What's going on here? Usually that's the first thing that happens. You know, you're struggling to drink this and the boba balls are all packed up in here. There we go, I got it. Well, tastes like, yeah, boba. I wonder why I had to microwave it, because it's just gonna be cooled down. I don't know. Maybe that's how you activate it. Activate the flavors is to heat it up first. Yeah, maybe. Well, honestly, I still have 3 more. So where's my boba girls at? I know about what's going on around here. I need them here with me. Boba girls, come on. I know you guys want some matcha. Yeah, but I don't know. I think the milk is taking away the flavor of the actual matcha. I'm legit just tasting, I mean, a little sweetness, a little bit, and the rest is just milk flavor. Here's another bubble ball. Oh, I mean, it's not bad. I mean, I don't think they would serve this at a boba shop. Yeah, I don't think so. So I'm just checking again to see if I made any mistakes here. Okay, so it says pour 30 G of premium syrup. G. Grams. I think. Cut open the boba pack and microwave for 15 seconds. I did that. Then add into the cup. Add 150 milliliters milk and 80 G ice cubes. Stir well. Yeah, I think I went a little overboard with the milk, maybe. Yeah. Actually, since it's getting lower, I'm actually really tasting the matcha now. And wow. Yeah. That tastes pretty good. Where's all the boba balls? So, yeah. I think they added 2 packets of boba balls because you put one on the bottom and you put one on top. Yeah. Is there even ice cubes in there? That's some Marshall finds right there. Something unusual. Yeah, who would have thought they would have boba kits at Marshall's? Yeah, I didn't. From Taiwan too. Where it comes from. Yeah. Well, good thing I didn't choke on these balls this time. Yeah. Because normally when I do, yeah. I mean, it just shoots up so fast. I'm like, oh. And multiple of them too. Multiple balls. So just finish it off. I think last sip here. Did you hear that? That means it's done. Still a lot of balls in there. Yeah, whatever. Now, would I recommend this? Yeah, just not so much milk. Okay. Yeah. And also, I think it would be fun to do it with someone. I mean, look, I got extras, so yeah. So if you want to do something fun with someone, and if you're a boba lover like I am, go for it. And there you go. I would love to try the taro. Taro #1 for me. Anyways, there we go. Big ups, everybody. Groovy vibes all the way. Let me know in the comments. Do you guys want some boba balls in your mouth? Yeah, let me know. Alright, we'll see you. Like and subscribe all the way. Hit up my PayPal, Venmo, description down below. Thank you everybody for supporting Groovy Vibes. And yeah, $3. Clearance aisle. Matcha boba. Yeah. Just make it yourself. No more boba shops, alright? No more. Yeah. I'm not paying $8 for this. Come on now. We'll see you. Thank you. Salamat po.